Welcome back to the channel. Today, we aren't just looking at a car. We are looking at a $7 million love letter to the golden era of motorsport. This is the 2026 Pagani Huayra Codalunga Speedster. In a world obsessed with aggressive wings and digital screens, Horacio Pagani has gone the other way, creating something so fluid and elegant it feels like it was sculpted by the wind itself. The silhouette of the Codalunga Speedster is a masterclass in less is more. Inspired by the long-tail Le Mans racers of the 1960s, the rear end has been stretched significantly compared to a standard Huayra, creating a seamless, uninterrupted flow. Because this is the Speedster, the iconic gull-wing doors have been replaced with elegant, conventionally hinged doors that better suit its open-top profile. Stepping inside is like entering a high-end watch movement. Pagani's Grandi Complicazioni division has outdone themselves here. You are surrounded by a symphony of aged, hand-stitched leathers and solid milled aluminum. Look closely at the center console, and you'll see accents of polished mahogany, a nod to vintage luxury speedboats. The gear lever is a work of mechanical art, with its exposed linkage clicking into place with bolt-action precision. Hidden beneath that elongated rear cowl is the heart of the beast, a 6.0-liter twin-turbo V12 developed exclusively by Mercedes AMG. It's not just powerful, it's a monument to internal combustion. We are talking about 864 HP and a staggering 100 millimeters of torque. All that power is sent to the rear wheels through a 7-speed transverse gearbox. Now, let's talk about the reality check. The Pagani Huayra Codalunga Speedster carries a price tag in the neighborhood of $7.5 million. Though since only 10 are being built, they were likely sold out before the public even knew they existed. On the safety front, Pagani uses a Carbo-Triax HP 62 monocoque, which is essentially a high-tech survival cell, stronger than steel but lighter than plastic. You also get massive Brembo carbon ceramic brakes, 410 millimeters at the front. The 2026 Codalunga Speedster is proof that hypercars can still be beautiful. It bridges the gap between the raw, mechanical history of the 1960s and the cutting-edge material science of the future. It's a 2/7 mm piece of rolling sculpture that prioritizes the feeling of driving above all else. Thank you so much for watching. If you could have any Pagani in your garage, would it be this long-tail beauty or the track-focused Huayra R? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into the world's most exclusive machinery. I'll see you in the next one.